iPhone 15 Pro. Let's unbox it. As you can see, the box includes the SIM card slot opener, instructions, the Apple logo sticker, and finally, charging cable. That's it. And now, here we go! After so many attempts, I was able to set up the phone. Hey everyone, I have been testing out the iPhone 15 Pro and I want to share my thoughts about it. If you want to upgrade your phone from 14 Pro to 15 Pro, here are the things that you need to know. So, the camera improvements on the 15 Pro include a larger main sensor for better low light photos and a new macro lens. Night mode photos are a bit clearer and more vibrant. However, the 14 Pro already had a top-notch camera. Talking about battery life on the 15 Pro is a bit better, but the 14 Pro's battery was already good. Both phones will get you through a day of normal use. The 15 Pro's fast charging is a nice addition, but it's not a game changer since the 14 Pro also charges quickly. Other features like the switching to USB-C on the 15 Pro is a notable change and makes it easier to use with other devices. Face ID has improved to be faster and more accurate from different angles, but it was already quite good on the 14 Pro. The speakers on the 15 Pro are a bit louder and clearer, which is great for watching videos or listening to music. New iOS features like customizable widgets are available on both models. One cool new feature on the iPhone 15 Pro is the function button. This button replaces the mute switch and can be customized to different things like open the camera, turn on the flashlight, or start the voice memo. It's a handy addition that makes the phone more versatile. Phones have a 120Hz ProMotion display, which makes scrolling and animations very smooth. The 15 Pro is slightly brighter, which can help in bright sunlight, but in everyday use you might not notice a big difference from the 14 Pro. The display on the 14 Pro was already excellent, so unless you compare them side by side, the difference is minimal. iPhone 15 Pro comes with the new A17 chip, which is faster and more efficient. But let's be honest, the A16 chip in the 14 Pro is still very powerful. For everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and streaming, you will not see a major difference. The 14 Pro can handle all the latest games and apps without issues. So unless you need the extra power for specific tasks like high-end gaming or 4K video editing, the performance boost might not be noticeable. Currently, there are no games or apps that show a clear difference between the two models. And about Apple, it's worth noting that Apple is very skilled at making small updates seem like big improvements. Sometimes it feels like they are making a lot of money from these incremental changes. The iPhone 15 Pro is impressive, but keep in mind that Apple often gets us excited about new models with minor tweaks. So, should you upgrade from 14 to 15? For most people, probably not. Yes, the changes are there, but not huge. But if you are still using Nokia, you should buy one. But you still need $1,000.